Hi guys, today I am with my latest kitchen appliance and it is Breville Sous Chef 16 Peel and Dice 2018 model. I previously reviewed Breville's Fresh and Furious blender and I just loved its performance. And so I bought this one now for 700 Canadian dollars. This is their latest model in the Sous Chef series. I initially thought of just posting a review of this food processor, but after opening the box, I realized that I will not be able to do justice to this product without an unboxing video. Breville Sous Chef Peel and Dice is designed to do your kitchen prep. It can do all the prep for you before you start cooking or making a recipe. So let's get started with this amazing kitchen appliance. And this is the outer box, which has a big Breville branding on the top and Sous Chef 16 Peel and Dice mentioned on it. The front of the box features a photograph which says that you can peel up to 7 potatoes and then use the same processor to dice them. You need not have to use your hands and it will do with precision. The back side of the box explains all the features like an ultra durable bowl. It has a large chute for vegetables and fruits of all sizes. The dicing area is bigger than other leading brands. It has options in dicing blades for different recipes. In the package, you get just one 12 mm dicing blade and rest two are a part of the bonus kit. Here the size of chute has been explained a bit more with more illustrative images. The processor only works when the bowl and the pusher are in the right place. The bowl is BPA free. The blades are made of stainless steel and it has a 1200-watt motor. It has a timer, a pulse button and a die cast metal base. The product has been designed in Sydney, Australia and made in China and has a 1-year limited warranty. But the motor has 25 years warranty, which means it's a lifetime investment. You also get 4 recipe cards. There are few more details of how efficient it works at the bottom of the box, like it can peel up to 7 potatoes in 40 seconds. It has a variable slicing blade with 0.3 mm to 8 mm setting. When I say 0.3 mm, it means a slice as thin as a paper. Cool, now you can make potato wafers at home. It has a high performance cutting blade, a shredding blade, julienne cutter, french fries cutter, a dough blade which can make up to 1.5 kilos of dough, an emulsifying disc to make sauces and dressings, and a mini blade and bowl to make sauces and chutneys. It also has a storage case to store all the attachments, so now you don't have to worry about losing the food processor blades, etc. There is also a free bonus dicing kit sent out to you when you register the product. Well, that's a lot of job this machine can do for us. Now let's open the box and see its contents. The box is actually very heavy and it gives me a fair idea of the quality of the components. Inside the box are a set of papers like 1-year warranty card, 25 years warranty on motor, information to slice a sweet potato and not dice it, details on how to get the bonus kit, 4 recipe cards, instruction manual and few labels in French. Apart from this, you get a processor base, a 16-cup bowl and a storage case with all the accessories. I'm going to show the processor base first. The base is heavy and I really mean it. I can't lift it for more than 10 seconds. It has power, start, pause, a pulse and the timer buttons and a timer display. The Breville branding is in the front. The base has 4 anti-skid rubber pads. The bottom has few specifications of the motor and power supply. Direct drive high torque 1200-watt motor means very powerful and fast. Well, I will share its performance when I post a review of this processor, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. It's made with die cast metal and has an excellent finish. There are no sharp edges, it's smooth all over with a matte finish. The electrical wire is neither too short nor too long, would be approximately 1 meter or less. Maybe because the base is quite heavy and maybe Breville wants you to give it a permanent place in your kitchen near to a power supply. It has a retractable wiring feature, which means you can simply push back the wire into the base once the job is done. Now I'm showing the processor jar. The jar has a capacity of 16 cups and it's the biggest jar I have seen till now. It has a sturdy handle and a very big chute. The plastic is clear, BPA free and very durable because it's made of Triton plastic. Inside the bowl, you can place the 2.5 cup smaller bowl to make chutneys, sauces, etc. Now comes the storage case. It has all the accessories nicely placed inside it. In the front are the three blades, S blade, mini blade, and the kneading blade. That's the slicing plate, the spindle, emulsifying disc, the shredding disc, and the French fries blade. That's the cleaning brush and a plastic spatula. The bottom of the storage case has a potato peeling disc, a dicing blade, and a large spindle. 12 dicer along with the dicing blade can be used to dice vegetables and fruits. The best part is that the storage space has the names of parts mentioned, so you know where exactly to pick and place a particular accessory. With this, the unboxing comes to an end. I'm going to use this processor and very soon will come up with its review, so stay connected by subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the notifications. I will see you soon with a new video. Till then, if you want to be a great chef, work with a great chef. The Breville Sous Chef, Peel and Dice. Bye-bye.